Three, two, one.
Hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to talk about the topic called simple interest. See, what is the meaning of simple interest means? You take some money from someone or bank or anywhere, then for a period of time, 1 day, 1 month, 1 year, you have to give some extra amount as you taken or borrowed money from them. So along with their money, suppose you have taken 1,000 rupees from someone for 1 month, then you have to give 1,000 plus some extra amount. That extra amount is called interest, and this is called principal, and total is called amount. So how much money you have taken, that is principal. How much extra you have to give, that is interest. Together is called amount. Now here, simple interest means, so we will calculate simple interest in this way, that total principal amount, rate of interest. So what percent you have taken? 1%, 2%, 3%. That they will mention in the question. And time period divided by 100. For example, let us consider one example. So here P is total principal amount, R is rate of interest, T is time duration. Now let me take one example and explain you. That is, so the example is, what would be the simple interest obtained on the amount of 6535 rupees at the rate of interest 10% per annum per year. So that they will mention per year. After 6 years, so they have given what is the total simple interest for the amount 6535, 6535 at the rate 10% per year for 6 years. So that the formula is P into R into T by 100, where P principal amount 6535 into rate of interest 10 and term or duration time, that is 6 years, by 100. So that 0 0 cancel. Now if you multiply, so 3921. So how much is the interest? 3921. So that you have taken 6535 principal plus interest 3221. So that 65410, 10,456 you have to give in return. So this is the total amount to be given for a principal amount of 6535 at the rate of 10% interest per year for a period of 6 years. So this is the way the questions will be asked, so that you have to understand and you have to solve the question. Now one more question I will explain. In 10 year, so there is a question, in 10 year 200 rupees amount became 300 rupees. So now you have to find rate of interest. So in 10 years 200 became 300 means 200 is principal, 300 is final amount. So then amount equal to principal plus interest. So that 300 equal to principal plus interest. So that, so principal is 200. So you substitute. So take 200 this side. So 300 minus 200, that is I interest. So what is the interest? 100. Now the interest formula is P into R into T by 100. So from here, rate of interest will become 100, you take this side, I into 100, P and T you bring this side, equal to R. Now rate of interest will become I interest 100 into 100, principal 200 into time is 10 years. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 10 by 2, 5%. So at what rate it is? 5%. So this way, the only formula for this interest is simple interest I equal to P into R into T by 100, where P is total principal, R is rate of interest, T is term or duration or time. So try to understand and try to solve the questions related to the same thing. So this is all about today's simple topic called simple interest. Let us continue in our next class with next topic. Thank you.